welcome you all for this curtain raiser event, particularly of a motorcycle rally from Shillong to Delhi from 1st to 16th September 2022. The motorcycle rally is being organized to mark the 75th anniversary of India's independence and Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, to raise awareness on national integration and spread the message of patriotism among all Indians. Dr. L.R. Bishnoi, IPS DG Meghalaya Police, will flag off the rally from sector headquarters Shillong on 1st September 2022. The rally will pass through Guwahati, Dhubri, Siliguri, Balurghat, Behrampur, Kolkata, Dhanbad, Aurangabad, Prayagraj, Kanpur, Agra in the states of Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, and finally it will terminate at Delhi. The entire rally will be conducted under the supervision of our headquarters Special DG Eastern Command from Calcutta, in coordination with various state administration and police, which will be monitored by our DG BSF from Delhi. A total of 30 motorcyclists, that is 15 from Jambaz motorcycle team and 15 motorcyclists from Sima Bhavani motorcycle team will participate in this rally. The participants will also interact with school children, NCC volunteers and youths in several cities en route. The rally will showcase various events like short films on BSF, awareness on drugs, smuggling, and aims to attract youths to join the border security force, that is India's first line of defense in safeguarding our national territory. And while interacting with school children, volunteers and youths of the country en route, they will also raise awareness on the role and task of border security force. In line with the Government of India's declaration to celebrate the 29th August as National Sports Day, as a mark of respect and tribute to the legendary hockey player Major Dhyan Chand, various sporting events are being organized at all BSF units under Meghalaya Frontier under the theme "An Enabler for an Inclusive and Fit Society." In addition to that, we will be celebrating Teachers Day on 2nd. We will be having volleyball matches with the BGB. Celebrating Teachers Day on 2nd. We will be having volleyball matches with the BGB. Then we will be having weapon display and various culture programs, including our band display we are organizing in our border areas and also in our headquarters. I am confident that through this motorcycle rally and various awareness programs that will be conducted during the course of the rally en route, a message of nationalism, patriotism, unity and integration among our countrymen and women will be further strengthened. I also appreciate the active support and participation of all the media houses who are present here, both print and electronic, and request you all to give wide publicity of the event so that the message of unity and integration reaches one and all here. Jai Hind.